In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add a clickable subscribe button to all your YouTube videos, step by step. First, let me show you what I mean. If I open one of my videos and look in the bottom right corner, you'll see this small subscribe button right here. Viewers can click it anytime while watching the video. Now, let's add it to your channel. Go to the top right corner of YouTube, click your profile icon, and then click YouTube Studio. This will take you directly into your channel dashboard. On the left-hand side, scroll down the menu and click on Customization. This is where YouTube hides a lot of important channel settings. Once you're on the customization page, click on Profile at the top. Now scroll down until you find the Video Watermark section. This watermark appears in the bottom right corner of your videos, and it also works as a subscribe button. Now simply upload an image. You can use your channel logo or a custom subscribe button graphic. And this next setting is important. You can choose whether the button appears at the end of the video, at a custom time, or during the entire video. For most channels, showing it during the entire video works best. Once you're done, don't forget to click Publish in the top right corner. And that's it. Your subscribe button is now live on your YouTube videos, making it easier for viewers to subscribe while watching. If this tutorial helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more quick YouTube tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.